the camera, it was so zoomed in. Alright, what's up all you lovely gamers and Brianna? Back to you. Okay. I don't know why, I got scared. I thought I heard something. Okay. What's up all you lovely gamers and Brianna? Back at you guys with another video. Now I know you guys haven't seen me till I said I was going in my Uber, but I'm finally at my Airbnb, and I thought I would give you guys a tour of the place to end today's vlog, because I'm probably staying here for the rest of the night. I don't think I'm going out or doing anything, because I'm just going to settle myself in. Don't want to get too amped up, and like I said, I didn't get much sleep last night. The only sleep I really got was an hour before the flight and on the plane, so more or less I want to just relax and save my energy for Saturday and Sunday. So we're going to do that. We're going to get in much as Texas we can soak up from Saturday and Sunday, because I'm leaving Monday. So Friday and Monday are just like travel days really. So I'm in my Airbnb. Whoa, you guys might be wondering, like, Brianna, what are you inside of? I didn't really tell you what I'm staying in. Hopefully I didn't tell you. I wanted to surprise you guys because I'm staying in a freaking trailer. Yes, boys and girls. So if I go outside, which I will do right now, so I can show you. Sorry, it's a little difficult to open this sometimes, but it's fine if I walk on the concrete. But I'm staying in a trailer, so this is what I'm staying inside of. Isn't it so cool? It's in the people that own the house. This is their Airbnb. It's in their backyard, so I have my own little section in their backyard. So I'm staying in this really nice trailer. I'll give you the view from the other side as well. I'm just gonna step on these rocks. So yeah, it's from here, back here. You can see it is an actual trailer. So this is my whole setup for the weekend. It's for one person. Technically the max amount of people that can stay here is 2, but right now this is just for one person. I really like it. It's simple, it's cool, it's cozy. We also have access to the backyard. As you can see, the lounge chairs, they have a really nice backyard. They even have a pool, which I might soak my feet in maybe tomorrow, because it's gonna be like in the 70s 80s tomorrow, so I might soak my feet tomorrow. I didn't bring my bathing suit or anything, so yeah, this is the back part of the trailer. It's just whatever the stuff that they have that they need to like run water and stuff and heat or whatever, because they do run water through a hose. So I think it might be that hose, I'm not even sure. But I thought I'll give you guys a tour of where I'm staying. So you climb on in. Alright, so you climb in, this is what you see. So I guess we'll start from this section. So this is the kitchen, as you could tell. You got a K-cup machine. Hold on, I'm just trying to close this back. Sometimes it's a little hard to close back. But hold on, give me a second. Okay, you just kind of need 2 hands. So this is just like so flies and stuff don't come in. I already seen some in here. I think I got bit by 1 or 2. So yeah, it's not good. But alright, so here's the kitchen area. You got the coffee, the K-cup machine, coffee cups, not much. I need to bring this to the event because it cracked. I need to show them and tell them, so that's why I have this here. Can't actually use that. So got the K-cup machine. My Airbnb host, she's really nice, and she set up snacks for me. So, you know, got pretzels. I freaking love pretzels, okay? My favorite snack. So okay, I just got back from Target. Actually, I went and bought some groceries. I didn't buy this. She like had this set up for me already. But this is a stove, so if I want to cook something, I'm gonna throw this out. I don't use this, but that is the stove. So if I want to cook anything, I can cook it. I don't know where the sponge is to wash dishes, so I have to ask her about that. But I probably won't be making dishes. The only dishes I'll have is like a cup if I decide to put soda in there. So this is a stove. Snacks are on top. I don't know if I'm using the stove, but yeah. Got back from Target. I bought these. You guys might not be able to see. Let me turn the light on. Okay, yeah, see? This is a really cute, nice light. It's a lot better. See, the light and everything is over there. So got some hot and spicy chicken flavor, and then I decided to get 2 shrimps. So these are going to be either lunch or dinner. So I'm not sure. One will be lunch, one will be lunch, one will probably be dinner. I'll probably have one for dinner if I'm hungry. I'm not really hungry, so I did eat at the airport before I got here, which was like at 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. I think it was 1 o'clock, yeah, so I'm not really hungry right now. Right now it is technically 6 o'clock, as you can see, but my time 7 o'clock, because in New York it's 7 o'clock. So you're gonna hear me say that a lot, because right now my body feels like it's 7 p.m. but I'm living in 6 p.m. because Texas is the hour behind New York's time. So you'll be hearing me say that a lot in these vlogs. Got the sink, you know, can run some water, whatnot. Let's not waste the water though, so yeah, I don't want to really waste water, but that's the water. Got a place where I could charge 4 different devices, 2 USBs. I'll probably charge my phone and camera here, or I can charge it in there, I believe. Got some just kitchen stuff. Alright, this is, I guess this is how you wash dishes, is with this, okay? That solves that issue. Got some stuff up here. I believe you got towels and blankets for showers up here as well. So yeah, this is basically the whole kitchen thing. Down here, if you guys really want to see, you just have like utensils and stuff, you know, like cooking, like things to eat with and cook with. This is the fridge, very proud of it. Really cute, nice fridge. I don't even know if the fridge is on, honestly. I think it's on. It says auto, so it should be on, but a part of me feels like it's not on. I'm gonna click the on button. Yeah, it's on, so yeah, it's on. Just feel like it's not on, but I put some soda in here, so hopefully that should get cold. Bought some high brew coffee because I freaking love this coffee. And if you guys don't know, their origins are from Texas. Like, they're a Texas-based company, so it was so easy to find it. I literally walked in Target and found it, so a lot easier than finding it in New York City. So obviously I was super happy about that. But bought like 12 Dr. Peppers. This was like a 6-pack. It was 2 for $5, so it was $2.50 for 6 Dr. Peppers. And Jesus Christ, the prices here in Texas are freaking amazing compared to New York. So super happy and grateful for Texas prices. Gonna miss them when I go home, okay? Nonetheless, we better just enjoy while it lasts. Got your spices here, you know, just got spices here. I won't be cooking, so I don't know. A part of me wants to cook a pizza in here, but I know that's not happening because you can't really cook one over the stove. You need an oven, so I don't know. Okay. Anyways, got a microwave. I don't know why I randomly felt like saying I want to cook a pizza. I don't know where that came from because I just got that idea, but I don't know. Oh, I need a thumbnail picture, so let me pose. Okay, hopefully that's good. Okay. Alright, hopefully that's good. Got a microwave here for microwaving. I might microwave my ramen, or unless I heat it up in a hot pot. I don't know how I'm doing it yet. Here is just like toilet tissue and my wallet and my watch. I'm just keeping, and my phone case, like a piece to it, the Hollister. I'm just keeping random stuff in there, but that toilet paper was there when I got here. She told me, my host. So got my shoes here, got my Vans, got my Nike sandals, and got my blue knockoff Yeezys. Yay! I actually wore these today. I forgot to let you guys know. These are super comfortable shoes. I don't care if anyone roasts me in the comments because these aren't real Yeezys. I don't give a damn. I'm not spending $100 on sneakers. Plus, Kanye doesn't make them in the shade of blue, and I think they're really epic. Now that we're finished with that side of the room, I will show you the bathroom. You guys might be shocked about this, but well, let me turn the light on in the bathroom. Actually, I kind of need to turn the light on in the bathroom. So let me hopefully do that. Hopefully that's the light for the bathroom. Okay, it is. Yay! Played Russian roulette. So this is the bathroom. It's a camper shower. It smells really nice in here. So this is obviously the floor. This is the toilets and everything, and it's basically a shower with a toilet. And you're probably wondering, how do you shower with this? You just cover it, covers. So yeah, this is basically where I'll shower and I'll use a bathroom at. Nothing more to that. Oh, I don't know how this thing keeps getting zoomed in, but that's the bathroom. Now, this is, as some weird people will say, this is where the magic happens. Whoops, wrong light. Okay. This is where the magic happens. So this is the big bed. I love how big this bed is and spacious it is. It's really epic. It's going to be a really comfortable sleep, obviously. I love it. It's really nice. This is meant to sleep 2 people, but I will be sleeping by myself. Because like I did say, this is a solo trip. I'm by myself. I will be sleeping here with nobody. So more or less, I will be sleeping here solo. So this is the bed. This is I like this. It's going to be comfortable. I could sit up and use that. Up here, I guess you could use it for storage, but there's nothing up here. Up there, I've got my Nintendo Switch, the speakers there, the Apple TV they own is there, and there's a TV here, really nice, mounted onto the wall. So I'll show you what it looks like if I'm laying down in bed. So let's say I'm sitting on the bed, right? I'm chilling on the bed. This is what my viewpoint would look like. I just bought these 2 new games today. I bought Zarvat and Halloween Pinball. I bought this Halloween Pinball because it was like $1 and change, so I was like, why not? It looked cool, so it was only $2, so I decided to get that. Okay, then I got Zarvat, which is a game. If you follow me on Twitter, I wanted to go to the release party where I couldn't go because I had something to do that day, unfortunately. So I finally got Zarvat. Can't wait to play that tonight. It's 7:22, so I might watch some Hulu, might watch some YouTube. I really wish the YouTube app was on the Switch because it would be so convenient instead of me having to whip out my laptop and watch YouTube, but I guess it'll be fine. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this camper. I can lay here and watch videos. It's gonna look really cool if I'm just laying here and watching it. Obviously, you guys aren't seeing it from my perspective. It's a lot closer to me than it is on camera, if that makes sense. That's how things are a lot of the times when you're viewing it through a camera. I've got my Nintendo Switch here, got my Joy-Cons and everything. Yeah, I rarely use it on the actual TV, so it's gonna be nice to experience it on the TV. I've got my laptop here, my Kindle, and my Nintendo Switch case here. I should probably just move it down here behind this, if you ask me, because then it hides it and I have more space. And you guys can see the backyard like I already showed you. You can see the backyard from here. So I think I'm going to end today's vlog here. I hope you guys really did enjoy me traveling to Texas. This is day 1. I'm excited. I'm going to be sad when I have to leave, of course, but I'm going to try and soak up as much of Texas as I possibly can. I think I will be coming back in the summertime for like a weekend again because I really like this RV sort of Airbnb style thing. I think it's epic and awesome, so I think I will be coming back for it. It's got some good impressions on me, so hopefully it stays that way for the rest of my trip. But if you guys did like today's video and you did enjoy me traveling to Texas, I promise the next vlogs will be a lot more entertaining as I'll be out and about doing things. Remember to hit that like button, leave a comment down below. I am running a giveaway right now for a Minecraft rank. I will link that up. Sorry, I will link that right here in the cards if you guys are interested. But other than that, I'd like to thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next vlog. Here comes the whoosh.